Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Nationwide for insurance policy services step by step clearly. Visit the official Nationwide website using your preferred browser. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with registration options. Select the option for policy services registration. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and address. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Confirm your password to ensure accuracy. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Continue or Next button to proceed. You may receive a verification email to confirm your address. Open your email inbox and find the verification message from Nationwide. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Nationwide website. Log in with your email address and password. Navigate to the Policy Services section of your account dashboard. Add your insurance policy details as prompted. Ensure all information entered is accurate and complete. Submit your policy information to link it to your account. You will receive a confirmation that your policy has been successfully registered. You can now access your policy services anytime through your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.